Hello everyone. In previous video, we have seen or we have created a query to find details of employees having highest salary. But we were facing some issue that we have not covered all the edge cases there. That if more than one employee have same highest salary, it was still printing the output for a single row. Or even if we write the limit 2 or limit 3, it was printing it, but it was not a dynamic in nature. So in this video, let's try to figure out if we can make it dynamic. So this is our employee table. So let's check the record in it. So let's start from employees. Order where salary and recently. So here is our output, and here are two rows for the highest salary. So if we now observe the common thing between the both of the row is the salary. So both have 1 lakh salary. So what we can do here is we can write a where clause salary equal to 1 lakh. And if we run, so now we are getting both the rows. But the problem here is we have hard coded this value, and it is not best practice to hard code any value. So for example, if tomorrow some new employees join the company and some of them has salary more than 1 lakh rupees. So now a query will return a wrong output. So it will return the output for employee having salary 1 lakh, but the highest salary is 2 lakh. So if somehow we can figure out like how we can dynamically change this salary value here, so we can basically achieve our goal. So let's first try to find how can we find the highest salary. So select salary from employees and we will order it by salary itself in December. And the result for it is we are getting all the salary in descending order, and but we just need the top salary, so we will write limit 1, and now yeah, we are getting the highest salary. So this is a dynamic part where if even if the data changes and there is someone with salary of 2 lakh, so this will return 2 lakh. So now we can here we can use the concept of sort query. So we can just replace this hard coded value with our query with a basically dynamic query, and let's now try to run it. And yeah, here we are getting the two record. So what we are doing here is we are selecting all the record, all the rows, or basically all the columns from our table employees, and we are filtering where the salary equal to and equal to a value. And this value we are getting it from this subquery. So as we saw, this subquery is returning one single value that is 1 lakh, and it is comparing this salary with 1 lakh, and every employee who is having salary as 1 lakh, this query returns it. So let's test it. So let's test it out using inserting one more record. So see if it returns exact correct value. So I will be inserting one more employee with same salary. And now if we try to run this query, it shall return us 3 rows, and here are the 3 rows. So now we are successfully achieved our aim. So we have created a query which dynamically fetches the output and it covers all the edge cases. So we can also solve this query using one more approach using rank function, but it is a bit difficult part. So we will see it in later part of video. So in next video, let's discuss how to find second highest salary. And if you already know it, you can write your answer in the comments. So thank you for watching this video.